perspective with regards to Agile is something that I actually call Agilism. And I started using this term about a year ago in an effort to differentiate between what is now being commonly known as Agile worldwide. This is important because Agile, from its very beginning, was something broader from the standpoint of not being just one methodology, specifically the methodology of Scrum, which is the one that is most popular nowadays. And unfortunately, it has become, the word Agile has become synonymous of Scrum. So to differentiate between that and what I see as what Agile really ultimately is what I call Agilism. So Agilism is more than anything else is a mindset, is a way in which we see the world. And this has to do not only with the organization or the company, it has to do with everything that forms part of it and everything that is around it. And by this I mean the people that are part of the organization, the people who are associated to the organization somehow, such as providers, customers, not only internal customers, but also external customers, end users, and so on. And basically, this mindset gives us a more complete perspective. It allows us to have a view of the entire system, because the objective is not just to make a project successful. The objective is not just to say, let's create something and hopefully the user will actually purchase the product or service that we developed. What we have to look after is in what way can we actually generate a better economy of the organization while at the same time maximizing the successful delivery of true value to the customer, and at the same time improving significantly the quality of work life, not only of employees, but really of anybody and everybody who is part of the organization. Obviously, this is something that goes way beyond just the methodological side of things. It has to do first and foremost with how the entire organization communicates, interacts, collaborates. How do they actually go about doing things better, about truly caring for each other, for the organization, for the products and services that are created, and for the customer. And of course, that has to be reflected in doing this in a much more efficient way. It is important to notice that productivity, from my perspective, should not be a unit of measure in knowledge work environments. This is what we should be using is actually efficiency. And we have to target this not only to the silo of what has to do with software development and IT or DevOps. This is something that has to be applied through the entire organization and in any kind of knowledge work. So to me, that's what Agilism is. Hopefully, this brings a more complete perspective to all of you. Thank you.